Another ride, another church. Mga kapidaan, mga pilgrimage. Just wanna show you anong itsura ng Manila Cathedral paggabi. Pero facade lang kasi hindi natin may iwanan ng bisikleta sa labas. So yan, I just came from my office, which is just across the street. It's Casa Rocha building where our managing agent, CF Sharp, is located. Ayan. So, I know gagabihin ako. And it's nice to ride. Plus, tipid sa taxi, parking. So, dala ako ng bike pag or sa office. So, just a short video. I hope you enjoyed it.